Hello, this is George Senda, the real, official, authentic, original, the one, the only, the guy from Pittsburgh. And you can imagine I've been in stasis since 1962. I was the sixth Beatle, and I was lost in time. I thought it'd be fun to comb my hair down like this. All right, I'm going to try this. This will be a two-part video. I'm going to try the Maruchan bowl ramen noodle soup. I don't remember if I've ever had this before. Someone sent it to me, and I thanked them for it. He sent me 6 of these things. So what you're supposed to do, here's the noodles. You take the first packet and you put it into the noodles. And you cook the water in the microwave for 3 minutes, let it sit for a minute. Then you take the second packet and put it in the noodles, and then you eat it. So I'm going to put the first packet in, and then I'm going to fill it with water and put it in the microwave. But I don't want to run the video for 3 minutes while you're waiting for this to cook. Dried corn, carrots, peas. I'm not sure what else is in here. So, and I can't quite get it open. It's being stubborn. I'll use my famous semi-rusty scissors here. That should open it. Okay, Uber cleared to start restarting self-driving cars. We'll see how that works. Okay, so there it is with the stuff on it, and I'm going to go throw this in the microwave and cook it, and then I'll do another video showing it coming out of the microwave, and I'll eat it, or I'll try it anyway, whatever you want to call it. All right, this is, I'm so used to having my hair up normally. It's reflex. All right, this is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh. Have a great day. Stay wet, warm, dry, or cool. It is 2:50 p.m., and after I eat this, it's cat feeding time and going to the post office time. Fluffy's in the window, little girl's outside, and I think Fuzzy's hiding in the bedroom a lot lately. Okay, have a good one. Stay warm and dry, and I'll catch you next time. Bye-bye for now.